Perfect. All right. Hey, everybody. Mr. Pauller here, and I'm joined by Mr. Ricks. He's going to help me ignite some bubbles. Mr. Ricks, here we go. Now, what you're going to do is just pop the bubble with the candle flame when it's in the air, not when it's on the hose. All right. Here we go. Get it? Next one. Let's do a couple more. I like that. You are naturals. It helps to choose tall bumpers.
That was a good one.
Alright, one more. By Mr. David Klotz. Today we're going to be doing some flaming bubbles for you guys. Hope you like it. Here we go. Mr. Klotz, when I blow, smell of natural gas in the morning. Here we go, Mr. Klotz, you ready? Go get it. Nice. Here we go. Nice one. Yes. Let's do one more. How about that? All right. Go. All right. Nice. Oh. Yeah.
Ha ha ha.